Have you ever burst into laughter at a perfectly timed joke, feeling that rush of joy ripple through your body like an electric wave? What if that simple chuckle is actually a superpower wired into our DNA, evolved to bind us together and heal us from within? Buckle up, because we're re-diving into why we laugh and the mind-blowing science of humor that turns giggles into gateways for connection, health, and even survival. Hit that like if you're ready to crack up the mysteries of mirth and see laughter in a whole new light. And let's unravel this joyful enigma together. Think of laughter as your body's secret handshake, a universal signal that says, we're in this together. Turning awkward moments into bonds and tough days into bearable ones, making the unknown feel as personal as sharing an inside joke with your best friend. We've all experienced that uncontrollable belly laugh or a sly chuckle. But beneath the surface, humor is a complex dance of brain chemistry and social cues evolved over millennia to help us navigate the wild ride of life. It's urgent. In a world where stress levels are skyrocketing, understanding laughter isn't just fun, it's a lifeline for mental resilience. Fresh trends drive this home. A 2025 twin study suggested humor might not be inherited, pointing instead to environmental factors shaping our funny bones, challenging old ideas that comedy runs in the family. And get this, global wellness reports this year show laughter can slash stress markers in blood by up to 30%, like an elephant lifting off your chest after a good guffaw, boosting everything from immune cells to heart health. This isn't just feel-good fluff, it's a wake-up call, weaving our timeless curiosity with a push for progress in a laughter-starved era. Drop in the comments, what's the funniest thing that's ever made you lose it? Tag a friend who needs their mind blown by this, because these woe moments are made for sharing. X threads are buzzing with folks swapping stories of how a well-timed joke releases dopamine, that feel-good chemical syncing brains, and building trust, a twisty aha that flips humor from silly to seriously strategic for social survival. Now, let's zoom into the current buzz, where scientists are unpacking laughter like explorers mapping a hidden laugh track in our biology, turning giggles into tales of triumph and tension. Meet the researchers behind that 2025 twin study, who sifted through data from thousands of pairs to reveal humor's roots lie more in life experiences than genes, a breakthrough that nearly slipped away when early results seemed inconclusive, only for deeper dives to spotlight how shared environments craft our comedic timing. These aren't stuffy academics, they're passionate storytellers, like the team at a leading cognition lab who dodged a near miss when funding cuts threatened their work on laughter's neural pathways, but rallied with crowdsourced data to show how mirror neurons fire during a baby's giggle, making contagion a brain-wired bond that echoes through social circles. Humanize the grit. Picture a late-night session in a bustling university hub this June where scans lit up brains during comedy clips, confirming laughter's role in syncing group emotions, a discovery that had the room erupting in cheers and proving humor's power to foster empathy amid division. And the bizarre discoveries keep rolling in. Tickling triggers a unique laughter called gargalysis, shared only with primates and rats, a 2025 finding that ties our chuckles to ancient play behaviors for building trust, like a domino effect, where forced giggles still spike endorphins to ease pain and stress. Semantic searches light up with viral clips of laughter, yoga sessions threads blending real-time buzz, from Reddit deep dives where users share how even fake laughs brighten moods by engaging the diaphragm and vagus nerve, a near miss for skeptics who dismissed it as woo-woo, until studies flipped the script with measurable drops in cortisol. One post dives into dimorphous expressions, those weird mixes like nervous laughter or tears of joy, revealing how our brains regulate intense emotions through humor, saved by neuroimaging that outpaced old theories. Its tense narrative triumphs like apps tracking laugh frequency to boost longevity, balanced by ethical hurdles in humor studies. Yet private ventures pour billions into wellness tech, as Chatter from PsychPros notes, overcoming doubts with tools that predict mood lifts from a single chortle. These pioneers aren't just decoding jokes, they're handing us keys to unlock nature's hidden superpowers, uncovering glows in the dark that whisper secrets from our playful past. Looking ahead, the implications are electrifying. What if cracking the code of laughter unlocks revolutions in health and harmony? Optimistic speculation sees AI simulations crunching petabytes of behavioral data to model custom humor therapies. potentially curing loneliness by syncing group laughs, or fixing climate-induced stress with tailored comedy that boosts resilience in vulnerable communities. Skeptics say the tech isn't ready, with cultural biases looming in humor algorithms. But a fresh wellness report from last month flips that with prototypes using biofeedback to amplify endorphin releases, proving we're geared for rollout. Imagine slashing chronic pain by prescribing daily doses of mirth that mimic cocaine's dopamine hit without the downsides, or fostering global progress through humor hubs that bridge divides, turning tech's double-edged sword into a tool for survival. Counterpoints emerge. X-Threads worry about over-engineering joy, potentially dulling authentic bonds, but reassurance flows from holistic panels showing private billions flowing in, echoing nature's adaptive superpowers like laughter's immune boost in tough times. It's grounded. Mastering humor could unite us in shared glee, nodding to curiosity while fueling empathy in a fractured world. We're on the cusp. Miss this wave, and you'll wonder what joyful secrets we left untapped. Drop in the comments. Would you join a laughter yoga class to hack your health? Your wild take might spark the next big giggle revolution. Now, let's spin a bold what-if tale, cinematic and awe-inspiring, where laughter becomes humanity's ultimate elixir. Enter Dr. Sofia Reyes, a visionary neurohumorist in a vibrant 2050 institute nestled in a laughter-filled campus, her eyes locked on holographic displays swirling with petabytes of humor data. She's on the brink, team huddled as AI predictive models, outpacing rivals with neural precisions, simulate a world where engineered laughs heal divides, syncing global brains for unprecedented unity. Picture the vignette. Sophia's hands tremble over controls, a near-miss glitch nearly erases the sim, but triumph surges as patterns emerge. Blueprints for humor implants that trigger contagious joy, a young diplomat testing it, shifting from tension to shared chuckles, dissolving a conflict in waves of mirth. Tension builds. Regulators fear over-reliance on artificial glee. Skeptics decry lost authenticity. Funding wavers as pharma giants eye profits from patented punchlines. Yet Sophia presses on, driven by humanity's eternal curiosity, her own laugh echoing the team's resolve. In a jaw-dropping twist, the tech integrates worldwide. Pandemics of division fade as synced laughs foster empathy, health soars with endorphin floods. Curing stress ailments, societies bond in harmonious hilarity. Progress explodes as creative bursts from joyful minds tackle crises like climate woes. Conflicts dissolve in collective guffaws. Survival thrives in a world of unbreakable bonds. It's plausible, rooted in today's trends models forecasting dopamine modulation from laughs, evolving from social signals to global miracles. Picture this, a glow-defying discord, whispering secrets from eons of play, revolutionizing connections forever. Our progress tied to embracing the chuckle. This laughter quest has reshaped how I view a simple smile. It's not just fun, but a thread in humanity's tapestry of curiosity, survival, and progress. In a world craving connection, understanding humor reminds us we're wired for joy, linked in our laughs, capable of healing wonders. Smash subscribe for more mind-bending dives into the impossible. Comment your wildest humor theory below, and share this with your adventure squad because the giggles are calling, and who knows what bonds you'll uncover next.